Hi there! Welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, thank you so much for visiting my channel, and just a short introduction about me. My name is Connie Zabala, and I'm here to help aspiring and fellow virtual assistants or VAs when it comes to building their VA business. So I started as a VA since way back 2011. So I'm here now to share what I've learned, to share my experience, my knowledge, and some tools and tips for you. And I hope you find that interesting and helpful on your part. With that said, please do go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel and click that notification, that bell icon, that notification, so that you will be notified as soon as I uploaded videos. So I promise, I commit to publish one video per week for you, so watch out for that. If you have some ideas, or probably you have some feedback, or you have some questions, please do share them in the comments below and share your thoughts there. Okay, I will be looking for that, and I promise to respond, of course. And for those aspiring VAs, for those who are new to the VA journey, if you haven't done so yet, please do take my free VA masterclass, a mini course on how to start your VA business. Just go to the upper right hand corner of this channel and sign up so that you will get your access via email. Okay, in the future, I promise to create more videos that are really helpful to you, so just feel free to navigate this channel. You might see different playlists in this page, so go ahead and just feel free to browse and click anywhere. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you again for subscribing and for supporting me, and I look forward to connecting with you. God bless and have a great day.